Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a fat burner drink for extreme weight loss to help you lose belly fat super fast at home using amazing natural ingredients. Guys, this is just something that you have in your house. This sounds like what you're interested in. Just keep on watching. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let us dive into the video. So guys, the first thing we have here is our cumin seed. Cumin seed is one of the most effective natural herbs in the process of belly fat burning. Cumin seed have antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties which boost immune system. Cumin seed contains hormone known to stimulate the glands that secrete enzymes which aids digestion. Cumin seed is high source of iron, calcium and magnesium which help to treat anemia and strengthen the bones. Cumin seed improves cholesterol and prevent diabetes. So there's a lot of benefit guys in this cumin seed. That's the first ingredient we are going to use. So the next thing we have here is our lemon. So guys, I'm making use of 2 lemons in this recipe. Go ahead and add or minus depending how quantity you want to make yours, okay? Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants which are useful in burning belly fat. Lemon increases the feeling of fullness for a long time without adding calories to the body. Lemon aids in digestion and detoxification. Lemon prevents kidney stones and enhances immunity. There's a lot of benefit in lemon. That's I'm going to cut the second one. So guys, this is the lemon juice. So I'm going to set it aside. So guys, this is the lemon juice. So right now I'm going to cut this lemon juice into pieces. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can do a large quantity and put it inside your freezer. Whenever you want to take it, to just bring it out. So the next thing, I'll bring my pan and I'll add everything. I'll add these lemons inside the pan. So the next thing is our cumin seed. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cumin seed into the pan. So the next thing is lemon fiber. So I'll add 1 bottle of water. So right now I'm gonna boil it for 10 minutes. Don't go away, just keep on watching. There's a lot of things I'm gonna add into it. So see you guys in next 10 minutes. So guys, this is after 10 minutes. So you can see it just boiling and it has changed, the water has changed color. So right now I'm gonna off the heat and just allow it to cool down for 10 minutes, okay? So guys, this is it after 10 minutes. Leave it in my strainer. Just press it to get more juice out of it. throw this away. I'll just mix everything together. Then remember I squeezed the lemon. Then I will add lemon into it, lemon juice into it. Then I'll turn everything together. The next thing is honey. I'll just add 1 teaspoon of honey and I'll mix everything together. Don't drink it when it's cold, just drink it while it's still warm, okay? I'll just straight my cup. So guys, this is really what you need just to reduce that belly fat and just keep in shape. The only thing is that you have to cut a little bit of your food intake and just drink it for 7 good days and you're gonna see a maximum result. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the channel bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Just drink it 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup before going to bed. Trust me, I'm gonna shed a lot of weight. Bye bye.